Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best natural gas wall heaters in 2022 that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. World MKTG of America Dual Gas Wall Heater. Our list will begin with dual fuel wall heater that offers Emanate Blue Flame. With an output of 30 kBTU, it ensures that the complete room gets heated adequately. There is a dual fuel mechanism used by this machine that allows the users to switch between natural gas and LP gas easily. Also, you will have better temperature control with the help of thermostat installed in it. The chances of having a problem setting temperature are quite easily. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. Avenge Dual Vent Heater. Based on the patented dual fuel technology, this gas propane heater is an exceptional product that you can buy. It has thermostat control through which the burner can recycle automatically for maintaining the required room temperature. There are 5 heat settings in this heater, having micro heat adjustments. It can be selected between all the settings. All the features in this equipment ensure that you enjoy experience perfectly. Number 8. Procom Heating TV 20931-228 Kelvin. Many people prefer to feel like having radiant rays in the comfort of your space in the winters. If you are one of them, then you need to go for this model. Manufactured by Procom brand, it is capable of developing heat for about 28,000 BTU outputs that are enough for facilitating a space up to 1,000 square feet. The presence of thermostat control allows you to adjust heat produced by this unit conveniently. Additionally, it has a regulator that ensures no overheating happen and causes damage to properties. Number 7. Rinnai EX17CN. Equipped with 7-stage adjustable gas valves, this natural gas heater makes the controlling easier than ever. The company has crafted it in such a way that it can spread the heat evenly across the room. Along with that, it comes with a thermostat that can be programmed according to the requirements. That's not all. There is a memory option that can be used for satisfying daily heat needs. This equipment also has a child safety lock that ensures you stay free from worries. Number 6. Ace Procom MN100 PTA Natural Gas Wall Heater. If you want to ace the temperature of your space and style, then the MN100 PTA is an exciting product to buy. This efficient device doesn't need any electricity and can work with natural gas. It comes with a diamond mesh grill that ensures even kids and pets stay safe when this heater is switched on. Our team guarantees that this head-turner product will last much more than your expectation. You can make an investment in this heater without any worry. Number 5. Cozy World KWN109 Natural Gas Infrared Wall Heater. With an output of 6,000 BTU, this simple-to-use natural gas heater comes with awesome control for customers' convenience. It is a perfect option to choose if you want to heat a small room or bathroom. On top of that, this equipment has a top-grade steel design that makes the ignition matchless. Overall, we find it a superb product that you can buy for adding adequate warmth to the room. You won't regret buying this equipment at all after experiencing its heat. Number 4. Mr. Heater F299735. Capable of warming up even a large room up to 750 square feet, this solid heater utilizes a blue flame. The company has specifically manufactured it for garages and workshops that get pretty cold in winters. It is a certified product having a thermostat for assuring optimum temperature in the room. Furthermore, it is one of the best natural gas wall heaters thanks to solid mounting tools and ease of usage. Number 3. Dyna-Glo BF30 NMDG Natural Glass Heater. If you are ready to shed off a little bit extra money, then buying the Dyna-Glo BF30 NMDG is an excellent decision to make. It utilizes the power of blue flame technology so that the temperature of the surroundings gets heated. Besides this, it assists in identifying the oxygen depletion in the air so that it can normalize its levels, protecting the health of people in the room. Additionally, it is very easy to use heater delivered with a 1-year warranty. Number 2. Dyna-Glo IR18 NMDG1. Finding a better natural gas heater at such a price is almost impossible in the market. It has infrared technology that warm things by radiating heat, which is the same way sun heat objects, with a variable heat output between 6,000 and 18,000 BTUs per hour. This heater can add warmth to room up to 700 square feet easily. Furthermore, you can even add additional heat by installing a separate fan that needs to be bought additionally. Number 1. Mr. Heater Corporation Natural Gas Heater. Equipped with a quiet integrated blower, This model, manufactured by Mr. Heater brand, is known for circulating air gently It has a high-grade thermostat that controls temperature automatically along with shutting off low oxygen according to the condition. This equipment is a perfect one for rooms that don't have natural heating. It is available in 2 different variants, one with 20 kBTU per hour and other one with 30 kBTU per hour. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want to buy this product, please check in the description below.